Inside the 2026 Mercedes Zetros 6x6, you are not just stepping into a truck, you are entering a rolling luxury palace finished in a rich chocolate color that immediately sets the tone for power, class, and pure exclusivity. Imagine this scene. The massive 6x6 stands tall on the road, its deep chocolate paint shimmering under the light, giving it a bold but elegant presence. As the doors open, you are welcomed into a cabin that feels more like a private jet than a heavy-duty off-road machine. In this video, I'll take you on a complete interior and feature tour of this insane luxury Zetros, explaining every detail so you can experience it as if you were really sitting inside. The first thing you notice as you climb up the side steps and open the door is how solid everything feels. The door closes with a heavy, reassuring thud, reminding you that this is built on a serious commercial chassis, but everything you see and touch inside has been transformed into a high-end luxury experience. The dashboard blends original Mercedes truck functionality with custom luxury finishing. Soft touch materials cover all the main surfaces, with chocolate brown leather and contrast stitching running across the dash, door panels, and even the grab handles. Brushed metal accents and piano black inserts add a modern, premium feel, while every button, knob, and switch is neatly integrated so that the driver has complete control without clutter. Now focus on the seats. These are fully custom, ultra-luxury captain chairs wrapped in chocolate leather with diamond stitching. They are thickly padded, fully adjustable, and of course both heated and cooled. Each seat offers armrests, lumbar support, and even massage function, so whether you are crossing a desert, climbing a mountain trail, or cruising on the highway, you remain completely relaxed. The front seats also get memory settings, so different drivers can save their favorite position. The leather used here is soft and high quality, giving you that rich, expensive feel every time you sit down. In front of the driver, there is a large, modern digital instrument cluster that combines classic truck information with luxury design. You see your speed, RPM, engine temperature, fuel range, air pressure for the brakes, differential lock status, and off-road data like incline, steering angle, and drivetrain mode. Everything is clean, easy to read, and backlit in a subtle white and amber combination that looks beautiful at night. The steering wheel is also wrapped in chocolate leather, with a thick, sporty rim and multifunction controls for audio, cruise control, and the digital display. Behind it, big, chunky stalks control indicators, wipers, and lights, simple, durable, and designed for real-world use. Move your eyes to the center of the dashboard and you'll find a large touchscreen display that acts as the main command center for the Zetros. From here, you can control navigation, media, vehicle settings, and even some of the off-road systems. The navigation system includes both on-road maps and off-road tracking, so you can record your route in remote areas and see your position even when there are no roads on the map. The audio system is a premium, multi-speaker setup tuned for the unique cabin shape, delivering deep bass and clear highs so your music sounds powerful even at low volume. There is full smartphone connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth, USB ports, and wireless charging pads placed conveniently for the driver and front passenger. Below the screen, a row of physical buttons and toggles are arranged in a purposeful way. These include controls for climate zones, seat heating and cooling, hazard lights, traction and stability systems, and various auxiliary functions. Because this is a 6x6 off-road beast, you also get dedicated switches for locking differentials, engaging low range, adjusting suspension height if equipped with air or hydraulic suspension, and managing additional off-road lights or winches. The moment you look at this control panel, you know this vehicle is built to handle serious adventures, but every switch still has a high-end, precise feel. The center console flows from the dashboard in a wide, solid design. You have cup holders, a deep storage bin, and a beautifully finished gear selector, often presented in metal and leather. Around it, ambient LED lighting glows softly, and in this chocolate-colored interior, the light reflects off the leather and trim in a very warm, cozy way. The ambient lighting can usually be adjusted in color and brightness, so at night you can choose a cool blue, a warm amber, or something more dramatic, transforming the cabin's mood instantly. Now let's move further back. Depending on the custom specification, the 2026 Mercedes Zetros 6x6 can be fitted with an extended cabin or a full motorhome-style living module. In this configuration, imagine passing from the front cabin into the rear luxury suite through an insulated doorway. As you step through, the atmosphere changes from luxury truck to rolling 5-star hotel. The same chocolate color theme continues, with leather, alcantara, and high-end wood veneers blending seamlessly. Along one side, you'll find a long, comfortable sofa or a pair of reclining lounge chairs. These seats can often convert into an extra sleeping area. They are equipped with seat belts for safe travel, but when you're parked, they become the perfect lounging spot. Facing them, there is a wall with a large flat-screen smart TV, integrated into a glossy panel with hidden speakers. This entertainment system supports streaming, satellite TV, USB, and HDMI input, so you can connect gaming consoles, laptops, or media drives. Surround sound speakers are cleverly hidden in the walls and ceiling, giving you a cinema-like experience no matter where you are parked. Moving slightly forward, you get to the dining and work area. A beautifully finished table, maybe in dark wood or marble-style surface, sits between the seats, often mounted on an electric pedestal. With a press of a button, it can move up and down or fold away. This is your space for eating meals, using a laptop, or planning your next route on a map. Ambient lighting runs along the ceiling edge, under the cabinets, and even around the floor, giving a very modern lounge vibe. During the day, large side windows flood this area with natural light, and at night, blinds or electric shades give you complete privacy. On the other side of the living area is the kitchen block. Yes, this Zetros 6x6 can be equipped with a full luxury kitchen. Expect to see a sink with hot and cold water, a built-in induction cooktop, a microwave or convection oven, and a large compressor fridge with a separate freezer. Clever storage cabinets hold dishes, cups, and cookware, with soft close hinges and LED strip lights that turn on when you open them. A high-end water filtration system ensures safe drinking water, and there may even be a built-in coffee machine so you can enjoy espresso in the middle of nowhere. The countertops are usually in a durable composite material or stone finish, and again, the chocolate color theme continues, with dark tones and metallic trims creating a rich, elegant look. Move further to the rear and you arrive at the bedroom area. This is where the luxury really becomes insane. A full-size bed or even a queen-size bed stretches across the width of the cabin, dressed in premium linens, pillows, and a thick mattress. Overhead cabinets provide storage for clothes and personal items, and small reading lights are positioned perfectly so you can relax with a book or use your phone without lighting up the whole room. Windows on both sides can be opened for fresh air and feature insect screens and blackout blinds. The feeling of lying in this bed, high above the ground, inside a chocolate-themed luxury cabin, while the outside world is wild and remote, is something truly special. Attached to or near the bedroom is the bathroom. This is no simple camping setup. This is a real bathroom with a separate shower, toilet, and sink. The shower often has a glass door, proper tiles or waterproof panels, and even a rain shower head. Hot water is supplied by a diesel or electric boiler, and there is enough tank capacity to allow comfortable showers during long trips. The toilet is typically a cassette or composting type, designed for off-grid use, and the sink area includes a mirror, storage for toiletries, and LED lighting. Some builds even include heated floors in the bathroom, adding another layer of comfort in cold climates. Throughout the entire interior, climate control is handled by advanced systems. There may be multiple air conditioning units, diesel heaters, and electric heaters, all controlled from touch panels on the walls. These panels also manage lighting scenes, water tank levels, generator control, solar power monitoring, and battery status. With a quick glance, you can check how much fresh water you have, how full the waste tanks are, and how your batteries and solar panels are performing. This gives you complete control and confidence to stay off-grid for long periods. From a safety perspective, the Zetros 6x6 interior is equipped with smoke detectors, gas detectors, fire extinguishers, and emergency exits. The driving cabin also includes modern safety systems like ABS, traction control, electronic stability programs, and often advanced driver assistance like lane departure warning or collision alerts depending on the spec. Multiple cameras are installed around the vehicle, feeding into the main display so you can see front, rear, and side views, which is extremely important when maneuvering such a large vehicle in tighter off-road areas. Finally, think about the overall feeling this interior gives. The deep chocolate color of the exterior and interior ties everything together into one coherent, luxurious theme. It looks powerful from the outside and feels warm and inviting on the inside. Whether you are behind the wheel, commanding the 6x6 drivetrain over rocks and sand, or relaxing in the back on a soft bed watching a movie under ambient lighting, the 2026 Mercedes Zetros 6x6 proves that extreme off-road capability and insane luxury can live together in one machine. This is not just transport. It is a lifestyle, a statement, and a dream home on wheels for those who refuse to compromise between adventure and comfort.